This is Investor Shares Bitcoin for Dummies Part 3. Let's discuss networks. You've already heard about the Bitcoin network, the blockchain network. We discussed it, the neighborhood, remember? Now we're going to talk about different types of networks. Networks are made up of three things. One, everyone who has access to the network. Two, the ledger, remember? The Excel spreadsheet. Three is the on-ramp and the off-ramp for the information that is on the ledger. All right? For this lesson, we're going to talk about three types of networks: bank network, PayPal network, and the Bitcoin network. The bank network, like I said before, people with access to the bank network are: one, the people who own the bank. Remember, it's a business. Two, the people that work at the bank, the guys that come in every day and do their job. Those guys have access to parts of the network. Three, us. If we have an account, we have access to one little part, our account. Those are the people with access to the bank network. The ledger, the bank's private ledger, is secure and protected on the computers. It's in the bank's four walls, so the ledger is secure and private and kept on those computers. That's where it's stored. Finally, the on-ramp and the off-ramp for that private ledger is the physical deposit. You go in, give them cash, they write it down, transaction history. There it is, it's in your account. It's become digital dollars, right? That's the on-ramp. Once your money is on the digital ledger behind the bank's four walls, there's a couple of things you can do with it. Look at your stupid face. The other bank accounts that are in that network, you can send money to and from those accounts because they're on the same network. You can send the money off the network for a fee to something like PayPal or similar apps. Finally, you could always go back into the bank, withdraw your cash, say thank you very much. That is the off-ramp. At that point, it would be written down in the transaction history on the bank's centralized ledger that you have removed your money and put it back in physical cash that you could put in your wallet, walk home, and store it in your house. So, these are examples of how the bank network works. Let's go to PayPal. PayPal, people with access. The people that own PayPal, the people that work at PayPal, and you and me with a PayPal account. The ledger, same as the banks, secure and private. It's stored on their computers. Not in the bank, it's in PayPal's offices, wherever the hell they are. Okay? But that's where the secure digital ledger is kept, on their computers, private. Finally, the on-ramp and off-ramp for the PayPal network is not cash. PayPal does not accept cash. Cash is a physical thing. PayPal is a digital app. You cannot go to a PayPal store and put your dollars in there. The only way to get PayPal dollars into PayPal's network is through a bank transfer. You got to go to a bank first, put your cash in, go back to your account, remember this, your stupid face, and then you have to go, please send my money from my bank over to PayPal. Now, once that happens, the money is on the PayPal network. Once it's there, you can send it to other PayPal accounts. Every single dollar on PayPal's network was once sent from a bank. You might think you're getting money from PayPal from someone else buying and selling things through PayPal, but that money eventually got on there from a bank. So, once you have the money on there, you can buy and sell, do things through the PayPal network, or send it back to your bank. That's the off-ramp. That's the way that you get your money off the PayPal network. Cool. Next, the Bitcoin network. The Bitcoin network, the people with access. Everyone on Earth with an internet connection. Because remember, Bitcoin is decentralized. The blockchain is decentralized. So, anyone on Earth can access it. The ledger exists on every computer on the planet that is connected to the network, which means every computer on Earth connected to the internet. Finally, the on-ramp and the off-ramp to the Bitcoin network is exactly the same as PayPal. Cash into the bank, go back to what? Your stupid face. There you are, please send my money over to the Bitcoin network. Once your money is over on the Bitcoin network, you can send it back to your bank to remove as cash whenever you want, or you can do the same thing on the PayPal network. You can send your money to another Bitcoin account, otherwise known as a Bitcoin address. So, you can send the money to another person on the network that has a Bitcoin account, or you can remove it into your own personal wallet. This is where things change. With the bank, you can remove the cash, you can walk out, and you hold the money in your hand. With a digital wallet, you can send your Bitcoin to a digital wallet that can be stored on a thumbnail drive. We're going to get into that in the next session that is called storage.